Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. I am so behind. I was not able to send any Merry Mail. I probably sent a couple and then time flew by. My work schedule did not give me any time to do anything during the week, and we had friends and family visiting. But what I ended up buying were some New Year's cards. I am planning to mail off a few New Year's cards to some friends, some crafty friends, and some family. These are like really nice, sweet cards. So I got a few of them, and then I thought these cards were really cute. It's about friendship. The kindest friend there could ever be is the kind of friend you are to me. And I thought that was really cute. I might put this actually in a journal, and I like this too. Reminds me of how they drew some of the cards in the 80s, and this one's missing a card, but so that's some of my New Year's cards and some friendship cards. My daughter Emmy spotted these at the sock section, and we're a big fan of Snoopy and Woodstock. So I was super happy to find this. I'm going to be mailing one of them to a friend that loves these characters. Super cute. And then I found my Martian Looney Tunes. If you guys are fans, let me know. I'm a big fan of the Martian and also Bugs Bunny. And of course, I had to get my Smurf socks. I love this retro style with the socks coming back again. It's super, super cute. And then for my mom, I got her some of these notebooks. She loves these and she uses them quite frequently, like really writes in them. So these are lined pages. It has an elastic closure. And I got her another one with some florals with like a darker blue, but you can see the green foil with the leaves. I think she will like that. And then I found this in their Valentine's aisle. I thought this was cute to write some special messages for my kids and loved ones. Secret invisible pen. And then I'm going to send one to Lil, and the other one I'll attach for my daughter Emmy, who lives with me. Lil is off to college, so I'll include this in some care package, and then I'll write a message. They can use a flashlight and see what I wrote. So I thought that would be really fun. In the supply section, I did find this dot glue runner tape, and this comes really handy when you're on the go crafting, and I love it. Rebuys are these double-sided tapes. These are 1/4 of an inch, and I love these. So I have that. And let's see what else I got. I did get some of these craft kits. I think this will be great again for some packaging for Emmy's friends, and when they still do a little candy exchange during the holidays. I love this little art piece. It is definitely retro looking, and I'll show you what it is. How cute is that? I just love it. So I'm going to be mailing this off to my sister who has an 8-month-old daughter, and she can probably add this to their nursery. So really, really cute. And then I also got my niece. We are going to be visiting them this April, so I wanted to bring her some books. This is Time for Goodnight. So several bedtime books, but I just love the illustrations, and for $1.25, you can't beat that. I love that the text is in a large font, and look at the illustrations. These are super cute, and it's a fun way to create a routine with her so that she sleeps through the night and also develops the love for reading, which her cousins love to do as well since they were kids. Here's another adorable one, the bedtime book with the elephant and the mouse. And again, I just love the illustrations. They're super cute. And then, of course, I wanted to get a book for her and her dad. And it says, My Dad. And it's a little fox and her daddy fox. I thought this was super, super sweet. And I hope she likes it, and I hope their family enjoys reading that. I have a couple more items that I did get from Dollar Tree, and they're pens. I love pens. So what I found were these beautiful kind of fidget pen, but you have a bead that you can kind of fidget with. And I like that. It doesn't have any noise. You just kind of spin it around. And this one has a celestial theme, which I love. And then here is another one in kind of like an aquamarine blue. Isn't that pretty with the star little bead? Then you can spin that as well. It also has a little cap. So I was super happy with these finds. Let me know which one was your favorite item. And I hope that you guys are having a fun January and start to the year. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.